Hello everyone, my name is Matt Seibert. I am the Emerging Media Librarian here at Bucks County Community College. Today we are going to take a look at the database NexisUni, which is a replacement for LexisNexis. So first we're going to go to the website, click up here, type in NexisUni.com. And here is the home page. Now, NexisUni is primarily used for legal and business information. So first we'll use it for legal information. Notice here it says, what are you interested in? I'm going to click on cases. Let's say I want to find federal cases. Let's say search and seizure. So federal cases related to search and seizure. And search. And it brought back many cases, all containing the words search and seizure. Now, let's say that I want to narrow the results to, let's see, searches and seizures of a person's property, or let's say a shared property. Here's a particular case that is pretty landmark in search and seizure, the case of Georgia v. Randolph, which went all the way to the Supreme Court, 547 U.S. 103. Let's click on it. Now, in the past, in LexisNexis, in order to get the Shepard's citations for the document, you actually had to find a place in the document to click. But now, with NexisUni, Shepardizing is much more simple. So, over here on the right, we have a Shepard's tab, talking about the cautionary treatment, positive treatment, neutral treatment, when the case has been cited. You can also click here on Shepardize this document. And it brings up a Shepardized page of major case laws surrounding this particular case. So it looks like here are some later cases that referenced back to Georgia v. Randolph and limited it subsequently. In this case, Fernandez v. California, it has a yellow square which says caution level phrase, and it says it was limited as well as distinguished. So Fernandez v. California limited and distinguished the Georgia v. Randolph case. For positive treatment, you can click on followed by right over here. Looks like 250 instances. And here we have cases that followed Georgia v. Randolph. So let's click on the case again, up here at the top. And that takes us back to the original entry and search result. NexisUni organizes the information in a way that is helpful to us. It actually breaks out the relevant parts of the case. So immediately you have the case summary of exactly what's going on. And then you have all your head notes. And then looks like you have a lawyer's edition display. Also containing head notes. Followed by a syllabus, an opinion, and the subsequent information about the case. Notice, though, that it's all nicely broken up for you. Finally, the references are at the bottom. Okay, so that is greatly simplified in comparison to how LexisNexis organized its data. And let's try a search for something else. So to get back to the home page, I click on the letters saying NexisUni up here on the top left. And let's say that I want to take a look at some business topics. So I can click here on business. It's down at the bottom of the page on the left. And let's say I want to do a company search. So we're going to check by ticker. And we'll type in AAPL, which is Apple Computer. Or now Apple Inc. And it's the first result. We can click on it. And then here we have all sorts of information and all sorts of information on Apple. The description, the market and industry, its competitors, its financials, securities information, classification. So that's great. Let's say I wanted to do a search for the company dossier. I would scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on business again on the left. Click here on company dossier and make sure that you have pop-ups enabled. Locked it. So there we go. And the ticker symbol AAPL, search. And here we go. It's the company dossier of Apple. Complete with all the wonderful information that you may need. So we have the company hierarchy, for example. We can take a look at its financial overview. We can even see SEC filings. Let's try executive compensation. Okay, so to return to a search, you can click here where it says New Search. Or to go back to the original NexisUni page, we're going to click on the first tab here, Business, and that'll take us back. And then once I click here on NexisUni on the top left, we're back to the home page. All right, that concludes this basic tutorial. Have a wonderful day.